I've sort of changed my mind. A while back, I made a video about, purchasing one of those med kits available nationally. And the company, Jase Medical, had approached me, and I said I was just uncomfortable. I couldn't support it at that time. And I was just really conflicted. Well, look a little bit of this video. I'm conflicted. And you might say, well, why wouldn't you want a free kit of antibiotics that you can have at your house in case your family would need them? So that's one of the reasons I'm conflicted. I think people use antibiotics way, way too often. So my real problem was that I believed a lot of people misuse antibiotics. And because of that, we have superbug problems and people hospitalized and maybe even dying because we can't find the right antibiotic to fight what they have. Superbugs, they are scary, scary. And I didn't want me endorsing something to lead more people to use antibiotics incorrectly. But I've sort of changed my mind. Not about overuse of antibiotics. I still believe that is happening. But now I'm doing a lot of traveling. So I can see the advantage of having a kit. And yes, Jase sent me another kit to review. And yeah, they sent it free of charge. But I'm giving you my honest opinion and when I think you need a kit like this. Now, I'm taking a lot of cruises. And if you feel sick on a cruise, you might go to their travel center on the ship. But I've heard horror stories how it can be very expensive and medication especially expensive. So maybe having a kit like this, if you know what is wrong with you and what you need to take, maybe that's a great idea. Also, if you're traveling internationally, like soon, I think only in a couple months, my husband and I will be taking an African safari. And yes, we'll be deep in the bush in a tented camp. There's no drugstore near us, no hospital or doctor without a helicopter ride. So again, kit like this, great idea. Or maybe you're a backcountry hiker. Taking along some meds from a kit like this, great idea. And maybe you live where bad weather can really close down the roads and you couldn't get out to go to the drugstore to get your prescription. So again, maybe this kit is a good idea. Or there could be supply chain issues. Medicine might be started to be made in China, then it goes to India, and then from India it goes here. Well, because of things happening, maybe that ship doesn't get here, but then you have what you need. So again, a good use for this kit. To me, the kit is for having access to your medications when your normal options are not available. Okay, we're gonna zip it. So here it goes. So let's look at what's included. Look at this kit in a little more detail. One of the things is it has room right here, right, for your business card or identifying information. Maybe you have one of these for each family member. And then let's right up here. Yep, that's where the med deck is. And you can see it has content by condition, so you can look up if you have a condition. Or, gotta go a little further here, content by medication. So it really helps tell you what something is for. And then you have all your individual cards, which are so nice. For each antibiotic in there, it tells you its use. Like here's amoxicillin, also known as augmentin, and you can use it for rash, sore throat, ear issues, cough, fever, sinus pressure, dental pain, urinary complaints. And on the back, it tells you how to use it for a dental infection, for instance. Because it's two medications, amoxicillin and clavulanic acid. And it's in the penicillin family of antibiotics. So you have this card. And you have Celebrex, okay? That's a pain med. Ciprofloxacin, which we call Cipro, very common used. It can be used for the plague even, traveler's diarrhea, typhoid fever, urinary tract infection. And this lists the side effects and everything else also. So this little med deck, great thing to keep. And you can add other prescription medicines that isn't in this kit too. And then you can have a complete med deck on how to use different information. Great, great resource. So what's in the kit? Well, we have 28 tablets of what's commonly called Augmentin, 6 tablets of erythromycin, 30 capsules of commonly called Celebrex, 28 tablets of commonly called Cipro, 120 capsules of Doxy, and 12 tablets of Imodium. And then 30 tablets of metronidazole, and then 21 tablets of andanostatrin, and a tube of antibiotic ointment, and in the U.S., 21 tablets of methylprednisolone. There you have it. We'll have some medications up here. Let's see here. One is erythromycin, and the other one is methylprednisolone. Methylprednisolone. Yeah, I have problems pronouncing that one. But there's kind of another compartment here, so let me put it up. Yeah. Okay, you can have your own medications in here if you want to take when you're traveling, so everything can fit easily right in here. I mean, how great is that, right? And here you have a little pamphlet telling you who should not take a certain medication. Anyway, great resource. There you go. Everything just fits neatly in this kit, and you could even put in your first aid supplies, you know, like Band-Aids, antibiotic, ointment, those type of things, and have everything in one place. Just love the organization. But again, I gotta talk a little bit about antibiotic resistance, because I own a medical billing company, and we also bill for primary care physicians. And I'll see, you know, reading the notes, patient comes in, they have a really bad cold, and they are demanding the doctor to give them an antibiotic. Why? A cold is a virus, right? What do antibiotics help with? Bacterial infections. So getting an antibiotic is not going to help you with the cold. And we see a lot of people use or have expectations falsely for antibiotics. So again, do your research and see when an antibiotic is really necessary. About Jase Medical is you're not just sending in an email or punching something on a web page to order what you need, right? There is an online application, kind of a medical evaluation. You put what your current health history is, what problems you might have, what prescriptions you think you need, and a licensed physician reviews that information. And if you have questions, there is a patient care system you can communicate with. So it's more than just, yeah, I think I'd like this kit, I'm going to order it on Amazon. Because the goal shouldn't be to replace your doctor. It should be having another option when access to your doctor or your pharmacy isn't available. And after hearing this video, if you think, hey, this is something you are interested in, then I do have a link. You can get $10 off. And yes, I would get a very small commission. So I appreciate how compact the whole case is, everything together, clearly organized, doesn't take up a tremendous amount of space or weight. It is something that you could easily keep in your suitcase when traveling or in your cupboard at home. But remember, preparedness is not just about owning things. It's knowing about how to use them appropriately. So, a lot of the meds in here I'm pretty familiar with. But these med cards, they can come in really handy for how to use them. So, again, I think this kit is great for travelers, cruisers, especially if you're doing international traveling, hiking in the backcountry, or live in a rural area and have problems with access to medical care. This kit can be a lifesaver. So did I change my mind? Yes, I did. I am glad I had this kit. It is great to be in my prepper resources and in my travel resources. But for me, well, I hope this remains in my cabinet and I never have to unzip it and use anything, although I will be taking it traveling with me also. So if you think this meets a need that you have, then please check out Jase Medical. I have the webpage, the link, and my $10 coupon code, and please use it if you wish. As always, do your own research. Don't just believe somebody on YouTube. See if this is the right item for you, and if so, great, buy it. As always, thanks for listening, and remember, share the knowledge. Thank you.